Ministry ya urimi yugite ati mbere ya Kenya mariganirwo itharikira ria ngigi ria o kuma kiambiriria-ini kia mwaka uyu na rikoretwo ritambite kaunti-ini makiria ma 30 no rirathie na mbere indi mihango ya kung'ethanira nacio ikoretwo ikinyitithio urugari o gwakia.
Very happy with the progress we have made in containing the locust menace. Currently in the country, we can confidently say that the locusts are in largely 2 counties, Turkana and Samburu.
Agithurima mihango ya kung'ethanira na ngigi ici kaunti-ini ya Samburu, Minister wa urimi Peter Munya oigite ati kaunti-ini cia Turkana na Samburu kuria maruru ma ngigi mathiete na mbere na kuhutia makiria arimi irarituhio ni irima na miambato ya matura maingi kaunti-ini ici, no riu thirikari ni irikitie kuyukia mitaratara mieru ya gucirunda.
What we have decided is to quickly station a spraying aircraft right here. And I've already asked for it to be brought. Hopefully it will be here by tomorrow. It will be stationed here in Samburu to be able to spray within Samburu and also the border of Turkana.
Ruhonge rwa Red Cross niruo ruhetwo wira wa guthurima ikero cia hathara iria irehetwo ni ngigi na niruo rugatara thirikari iguru ria mitaratara iria ikuhuthirwo kuriha arimi hathara iria mareheirwo.
We already commissioned, recruited Kenya Red Cross to do a study for us, which they have concluded, and I'm told there is already a preliminary report in my office, which I want to go and look at on Wednesday. Then I will be able to release the report and start now the process of sourcing resources to support communities to restore livelihoods in the areas that are affected.
Andu aingi makoretwo na wagagu uhotekeku wa gukorwo na ng'aragu indi thirikari ikigeria kumiriria ngoro ciao yugite ati gukinyiria riu gutire dalili cia kwaga gia kuria na mitaratara yothe ni gathikitwo gutigirira ati itharikira ringi ria ngigi ria ng'ethanirwo nario mbere ya ritambite bururi-ini na njira nene. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.